10 things your iPhone does that drive you crazy, and 10 ways to stop them. Let's fix them. First one, keyboard haptic. And this is one of those things you don't notice until someone points it out. Every single time you type, your iPhone vibrates. Every letter, every number, every symbol, hundreds, maybe thousands of times a day. And it's draining your battery. Not a lot, but it adds up. Plus, it's just annoying. You don't need your phone to vibrate every time you type. Go to Settings, then Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down to Keyboard Feedback. You'll see two options, Sound and Haptic. The sound one is fine, but Haptic? Turn it off. That's it. No more constant vibration. Your battery lasts a little longer. And typing feels way better. Most people don't even know this setting exists. They just accept that their phone vibrates when they type. But now you know. Turn it off. Next one. Siri keeps interrupting. And this drives people crazy. You're watching TV, and someone in the show says, "Hey Siri," and your iPhone lights up. Or you're having a conversation and you say something that sounds like, "Hey Siri," and boom, Siri activates. It happens all the time, and it's so annoying. You didn't want Siri. But there it is, interrupting whatever you were doing. Go to Settings, then Siri and search. You'll see Listen for Hey Siri at the top with a toggle. Turn it off. Now Siri won't randomly wake up anymore. But here's the thing. You can still use Siri whenever you want. Just press and hold the side button. Same Siri. Same features. But only when you actually need it. No more accidental interruptions. Problem solved. Number 3. Photos app. Shows random old photos. You open the Photos app, and there's some embarrassing photo from 5 years ago right there in your face. Memories. You definitely don't want to remember. Here's how to stop it. Open Photos. Go to the For You tab at the bottom. Scroll to Memories. Tap See All. Pick any memory you don't want to see. Tap the 3 dots in the corner, then tap Show Fewer Memories like this. Or if you want to turn off memories completely, go to Settings, then Photos. Scroll down to Memories Notifications and turn it off. No more random old photos popping up. You're welcome. Next up, full screen incoming calls. This is the one literally everyone complains about. You're in the middle of something, watching a video, playing a game, reading an article. Doesn't matter. A call comes in and it takes over your entire screen. Everything stops. The video pauses. The game freezes. Whatever you were doing is just gone. And you have to either answer the call or decline it before you can go back to what you were doing. It's incredibly annoying, and honestly, it's bad design. But Apple won't change it by default, so you have to change it yourself. Go to Settings. Scroll down to Apps, then tap Phone. Tap Incoming Calls. You'll see 2 options, Full Screen and Banner. Change it to Banner. Now when someone calls you, it's just a small notification at the top of your screen. You can swipe it away, answer it, or ignore it. But it doesn't take over your whole screen. You can keep doing whatever you were doing. This should be the default, but it's not. So change it now. Number 5. Text replacement shortcuts don't work. You set up shortcuts in Settings, like OMW becomes On My Way. But half the time, they don't even work. Super frustrating. Here's the fix. Go to Settings, then General, then Keyboard, then Text Replacement. Find your shortcuts, delete them, then add them again. I know it sounds dumb, but it works. The shortcuts get corrupted or don't sync properly. Deleting and re-adding them fixes it. Or if you want to try something else, go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then iCloud, then iCloud Drive. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This resets the sync and usually fixes the problem. Either way, your shortcuts should work now. Number 6. Podcast app auto-downloads episodes. You subscribe to a podcast because you like it. Makes sense. But then, every single new episode automatically downloads to your phone, even the ones you're never going to listen to. Your storage fills up with episodes you didn't ask for. And you probably don't even notice until your phone says, "Storage almost full." Here's how to stop it. Open the Podcasts app. Go to Library at the bottom, tap Shows. Find the podcast that's auto-downloading. Tap the three dots, then tap Settings. You'll see Download Episodes. Turn it off. Now new episodes won't download unless you actually want them. You save storage, and you only download what you're actually going to listen to. Do this for every podcast you're subscribed to. Your phone will have way more space. Next one. Lock screen widgets show sensitive info. You have widgets on your lock screen. Calendar events. Email previews. Reminders. Looks cool, right? Except anyone can see them. Your phone is locked, but all your private information is right there on the screen. Someone picks up your phone and sees your entire schedule. Your emails, your to-do list, everything. Not great for privacy. Here's the fix. Press and hold on your lock screen, tap Edit. Remove any widgets that show sensitive information. Calendar, mail, reminders, whatever you don't want visible. Or if you want to keep the widgets but make them private, go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. Scroll down to allow access when locked. Turn off Calendar Today View and anything else you don't want people seeing. Now your lock screen looks clean and your information stays private. Number 8. Calculator has no backspace. Or so you think. You're doing a calculation, you type the wrong number, and you just clear the whole thing and start over, because there's no backspace button, right? Wrong. There is a backspace. Most people just don't know about it. Open the Calculator app. Type any number. Now swipe left on the number at the top. Watch what happens. It deletes one digit at a time. That's it. That's the backspace. No button. Just swipe left on the number. You can delete one digit, fix your mistake, and keep going. This has been there forever, but almost nobody knows about it. Now you do. Next, message previews on lock screen. Your phone is locked. A message comes in. The entire message shows up on your lock screen. Anyone standing next to you can read it. Private conversations, passwords, bank codes. All of it visible to anyone who glances at your phone. Super annoying. And honestly, kind of a privacy nightmare. Go to Settings, then Notifications, then Messages. Tap Show Previews. Change it from Always to When Unlocked. Now messages only show the preview when your phone is unlocked and Face ID confirms it's actually you. When it's locked, people just see iMessage or the contact name. Nothing else. Your messages stay private. Problem solved. Last one. AirPods keep switching between devices. You're listening to music on your iPhone. You open a video on your Mac. Your AirPods automatically switch to your Mac. Your music stops. So annoying. Or you're on a call on your iPhone and your iPad decides to connect to your AirPods for no reason. Call drops. You have to reconnect. Happens all the time. Here's how to stop it. Go to Settings. Scroll down to your AirPods. Tap them. You'll see Connect to this iPhone. Change it from Automatically to When Last. Connected to this iPhone. Now your AirPods will only connect to your iPhone if they were last connected to your iPhone. They won't randomly switch to your Mac or iPad unless you manually connect them. Do this on every device. iPhone, iPad, Mac. Set them all to When Last Connected. Your AirPods will stop switching randomly. So those are 10 annoying iPhone problems fixed. Keyboard haptic, Siri interrupting, random photos, full screen calls, text replacement, podcast downloads, lock screen widgets, calculator backspace, message previews, and AirPod switching. Your iPhone should work for you, not annoy you. And now it will. If this helped, hit the like button. And subscribe for more iPhone tips. I'll see you in the next one.